let's begin with Chinese metaphysics, as in what is Chinese metaphysics or how is Chinese metaphysics applied? So metaphysics is basically used for what? Okay, how many of you know what is metaphysics used for? No idea? Nobody has any idea why you utilize metaphysics, but you're still sitting here? Okay. Metaphysics is basically applied so that you can become a better version of yourself. Yeah. So that you can, yes, to make progress, yes, Wendy, to create harmony, yes, Melanie, forecasting, yes, Shelly, to improve your life, yeah, but it is also used to so that you can become a better version of yourself, so that you can reach your own highest possible potential. Okay, so that you become someone who is, far ahead than what you are, not just astrology or whoever, Zana, not just astrology. To create magic in our everyday lives, yes, Melanie, that also can be done. To create harmony and magic, yeah, that also can be done. So metaphysics is basically utilized so that you become a better version of yourself. You are a happier person. Okay, you lead a better life. See, as soon as you lead a better life, everybody around you is happy. Okay, everybody around you is happy. So it's like, in a way, yeah, you can say it's magic, but in a way it's not magic also. Okay, it's something which you apply, you have to give effort for it. Okay, Banjit Kumar Rokhia sir, enter Goidia. Okay, so now let's look at this model. Okay, there are two screens you'll be seeing. I'm visible on two screens. On one screen you're seeing my face and my board. On the other screen I'm sharing my whatever slides are there, I'm sharing that. So what you can do is you can pin both of them. You can pin both of them. That way you can see the board, what I'm teaching. At the same time, you can see my shared screen content itself. Okay, so that way it's easier for you to see whatever you want to see. All right, now when we look at this model, all right, Ravi, can you please put your hand down? We'll address all the questions later on. Okay, because you are coming on my screen. Okay, so when you see this model, it basically means there is heaven, there's earth, and there's man. Okay, so like every business has a model. You all know that business models do exist, right? You all know that business models do exist, right? 1 second. I have a AI operated camera. 1 second. So it keeps on going up and down. All right. Okay. So every model, there are business models like brick and mortar model, then there is premium model. So there are different business models. So in metaphysics, we have a cosmic model. And the cosmic model consists of heaven, and then you have earth, and then you have man. Okay, these are the three realms. There's another realm, universe realm, but for now, just understand there are three realms. Okay, heaven, earth, and man. Now, a lot of people know there's BaZi, some people know there's Feng Shui, some people know there's Zeri, then there's Chiman, and then there's I Ching, and there's a whole lot of confusion as to what should I use. Should I use BaZi? Only BaZi can help me improve my life? No. Only Feng Shui can help you improve your life? No. Only Zeri can help me improve my life? No. Only Chiman can help me improve my life? No. Okay. So you can see that it's a no to everything. Why? Because till the time you don't apply this entire model, okay, if you don't apply this entire model, it's not going to work out. Okay, what's not going to work out is not going to align. It's not going to fall into place. So when you see heaven realm is basically your BaZi. Okay, 1 second. Heaven realm is basically BaZi. All right. There is Chiman also. All right, there's Chiman also in this. A Chiman is more of universe realm also. So when you see heaven realm BaZi, BaZi is, you cannot change BaZi. You cannot change BaZi because you are born with it. Okay, so heaven realm cannot be changed. Now, when I say that, a lot of people think that, oh, you cannot change heaven realm means that, 1 second, my camera is a little off. 1 second, yeah, 1 second. So when I say that, heaven realm cannot be changed, it basically means you cannot change your parents now, can you? Okay, you cannot change your parents. You cannot change your siblings. You are born to those parents. It's not like, tomorrow I want to change my mom. I'll go and, change my mom. You cannot do that. So heaven realm leaves you with very limited choices. You are born with a set of stars, and then you follow those stars, and, you maximize those stars. You maximize the potential of those stars, and it lets you know about your hidden talents, your hidden potentials. Okay, like some of you are talented in singing, some of you are talented in speaking, some of you are talented in cooking. Okay, so what are your talents? Just quickly type in, what are your talents? Can you write? What are your talents? Not according to your BaZi. You know them, so you can write it down, yeah? So what are your talents? Can you speak? Can you write? Draw? Paint? Sing? Yeah? So there are a lot of, healing, okay? Speaking, teaching, singing. So everybody has got talents, okay? Now, some of them are inborn talents. So that is related to your heaven realm. Your inborn talents are related to your heaven realm. Okay, how you maximize or optimize your talents depends on you. So BaZi will inform you that these are your talents. Now you have to give an effort to optimize those talents. All right. The next, what you see is Earth realm. Earth realm is where Feng Shui is. Today, what we are going to do is Earth realm. Now, in Feng Shui, there's lots of choices. Yeah, you're not a tree, you're not a mountain. You can move rooms, you can move your desk, you can move your bed, you can move your stove, you can move your room, you can move your house. Okay, so Feng Shui or Earth realm gives us a lot of choices. And what is Earth realm all about? It's about harnessing the environment energy so that it aligns with our BaZi. Okay, so that it aligns with our BaZi. A lot of people think, I just do BaZi, I know my talents, I'll do those activities, it is enough. Actually, it's not enough. You have to align your BaZi with your Feng Shui. Okay, you take whatever talents are there, and then you apply the Feng Shui in a manner so that it optimizes your talents. All right, and then we have the man realm. Man realm is choice, full of choices. Okay, it is absolutely full of choices. That you are here today, is a choice you've made. Yes? Yes or no? Yes or no? That you're here today is a choice you've made. That you're going to spend the next 1 hour, 2 hours learning about Feng Shui and learning about how to create abundance for the next 20 years is a choice you've made. That is man realm. The effort you're putting in. The effort you're putting in is man realm. So now when you look at this cosmic model, how does it work? You have the heaven realm by your BaZi. It tells you of your potentials, your hidden opportunities. It can tell you about opportunities also, timing also, your health. BaZi can give you a whole lot of information. You take that information and you align it with your Feng Shui of your house, okay, which is the environment. You optimize the stars, which will help you increase your potentials and your BaZi chart stars. And then you take action or you give effort towards those talents, towards those opportunities. Okay, now Feng Shui, like I said, it creates opportunities. It's like when you meet the right people at the right time, that is Feng Shui. Okay, when you get new opportunities, wealth opportunities, that is Feng Shui. Okay, but whether you can get the full benefits of the opportunity depends on the man realm and the heaven realm. Okay, heaven also plays a big role. Yeah, heaven also plays a big role. If your BaZi is not tuned to period 9, you will have very much difficulty in making your house period 9 compliant or to find a period 9 compliant house. Okay, maybe you'll have to go through 20, 30, 40, 50, maybe 100. I don't know. Somewhere I heard somebody went through 40 houses before they found the Feng Shui period 9 compliant house. Okay, so it takes time if it is not correlated or it's not optimized for period 9. But then you forget you got effort on your side. Yeah, so you can give the effort to find the house. Okay, you can do date selection. Okay, or you can ask Chiman, which side should I go? You go and you find your house. All right. Now, this is the abundance model. Okay, the abundance model right now, I spoke about BaZi, I spoke about Qigong, and I spoke about Feng Shui. So BaZi, like I said, is heaven realm, okay, related to the heaven. And it is what you are born with, you cannot change that. Okay, it speaks to you about your talents and your hidden potential, and it lets you know what are the pluses and minuses you have in your life. Okay, then you have Qigong. Qigong is related to winning and winning only. There is no losing in China in Qigong. There is no plus and minus in Qigong. There is no drawbacks in Qigong. Okay, Qigong is the universe realm. All right, Qigong is where miracles are created. If your BaZi is limited, as in you are limited by your BaZi, use Qigong to come out of that limitation. Okay, if you find that your BaZi chart is limiting, all right, you want to do something, but your BaZi chart does not support that, then use Qigong, okay? Because this, like I said, Qigong is about creating miracles. It is about manifesting. It is a war strategy. Therefore, in war, if you don't win, you are dead, okay? And you don't want to be dead. So therefore, Qigong is only about winning. There is no losing in Qigong. Okay, there is no plus and minus. In BaZi, like you'll say, oh, these are the pluses and these are the minuses, and this is how it is. In Qigong, there's no plus and minus. You do this, you either do this, you forecast, you go, you do this, you manifest, you get this. You know, Qigong is all about getting and doing. Okay. Then we have Feng Shui. Feng Shui, like I said, is related to your environment. How you harness the Qi or how you get the Qi so that you can progress in your life. All right. And the granddaddy of all of them is I Ching. Why granddaddy? Because the father of BaZi, the father of Feng Shui, the father of Qigong is I Ching. So I Ching is what? I Ching is the universal law. All right. It's the law of the universe. It's how the universe operates. Okay, here it is like if you follow the I Ching, like a lot of people think I Ching is only about forecasting. I Ching is not just about forecasting. I Ching has a lot of things in it. Yeah, there is the philosophical side, there is the predictive side, there's the forecasting side, but divination side, yeah. But there is also many things which the I Ching is involved in. How many of you know that I Ching has 6 lines known as hexagrams? Yes, it is the God's law. I Ching is the God's law. Yeah. So how many of you don't know about hexagrams? Have no clue what hexagrams are? Okay, there's one. Don't know. Okay, some of you don't know, a little. All right. So hexagrams, like hexagram, in your BaZi, you'll find hexagrams. In Qigong, you'll find hexagrams. In Feng Shui, you'll find hexagram. However, the application differs. How you apply them differs. And of course, I Ching is on its own also can be applied. Yeah, I Ching on its own also can be applied. But it has got its correlation with all of these 3. Yeah, which is BaZi, Qigong, and Feng Shui. Now, somebody might ask, which one do I apply? I apply all. Okay, if you ask me, I apply all. If you ask me today, what should I do? I'll say apply all. But that means a big, huge learning curve. Yeah, huge learning curve. Somebody's waiting, just let them in. So huge learning curve. So right now, you know, I Ching is the granddaddy of all. And BaZi, Qigong, and Feng Shui all are born from I Ching.